Unleashing potential. First conditionals with modals in English. Hello, English learners. Welcome back to our next exciting lesson on intermediate grammar. Today, we're going to dive into the world of conditionals. But not just any conditionals, we'll be exploring the first conditional with modals. A great tool to expand your communication abilities. Before we delve into using modals with the first conditional, let's take a brief look at what first conditional is. The first conditional is used to talk about things which are possible in the present or the future. It's generally formed using if plus present simple tense, will plus base verb. For example, if it rains, we will stay at home. Modals are auxiliary verbs that express necessity, possibility, permission, or ability. Common modals include can, could, may, might, shall, should, will, would, and must. They give additional information about the function of the main verb that follows it. For instance, in the sentence, "You must study for the exam," must is expressing the necessity of the action, study. Now, the magic happens when we start to use modals with the first conditional. We can use them in either the if clause, the condition, or the main clause, the result, to add different nuances of meaning. Here are some examples. If you study hard, you should pass the exam. Using should in the main clause implies a strong likelihood or recommendation. If it rains, we might stay at home. Using might in the main clause implies a possibility. Now, it's your turn to practice using the first conditional with modals. Remember, you can use a modal in either the if clause or the main clause. Try creating your own sentences like, "If we leave now, we could catch the bus. If you can find the map, we will go hiking." Well, that's all for today's lesson, folks. We hope you found this introduction to first conditional with modals helpful. These conditionals can truly elevate your English communication skills to the next level. Keep practicing, stay curious, and always remember, learning English is not just about studying, it's about communicating and expressing yourself. Until next time, happy learning!